Hattimatim Tim. I brought a little creature today from the market. Some beans to pay. By mistake, I bought a giant egg. A funny sight, I must now say.
When it hatches, out will pop a tiger cub ready to hop. Morning and evening, watch it lay eggs that grow in a curious way.
From the egg emerged 2 long legs, roaming around the village. I beg.
It flips the water pots around, turns the pans with a clanging sound.
Those 2 legs wander everywhere, bringing chaos, oh beware!
A week later, from the egg it grew. 2 hens appeared, what to do?
By nightfall, the cups it lights, playing tricks, giving frights.
The little creature, sad in mind, left the house and walked behind.
Hit a tree along the way, the egg broke open, gone astray. The villagers all together stared, fear and awe, no one dared. From the broken egg came out Hattimatim Tim, there's no doubt. Hattimatim Tim, in the field lays its ways, its whim. With 2 sharp horns upon its head, that's Hattimatim Tim. Produced by Emon Animation House.